Hi, welcome with Cooking with Kitty. I'm making chicken stir fry. Got a cute haircut.
Hi, we're going to make an easy to make chicken stir fry, right?
Yes.
Right. It's good for weeknight meals, throwing a quick meal together. It's pretty simple, only requires a handful of ingredients. We're going to start with cooking the rice. So we need
2 1/2
quarter. 2 1/4
good for cups water.
Good job. And
3 plus
3/4
3/4 cups spice
soy.
soy sauce.
Okay. Can you mix the soy sauce into the water? 2 hands. Good job. And we're also going to need
2 cups rice.
Perfect. All right, let's move to the stove. All right, let's put the water and soy sauce in the pan. This one's heavy. All right, you want help?
Yes.
Here we go. Now dump the rice in. There we go. Perfect. Good job. Okay, can you give it a mix? We're going to turn it on to high, bring it to a boil, and then simmer for about 20 minutes. And while that's cooking, we're going to go cut the chicken up, right? Alright, so while the rice is cooking, we need to get
2 chicken breasts. So it
sliced.
six.
Okay. So grab it up here on the handle. What we do is, usually we keep our breasts in the freezer. And then what we do is we pull them out, and right before they're completely thawed, it's still a little frozen. That helps give really small, thin slices. And we're cutting it against the grain. You get nice thin slices, right?
Yes.
It's a little bit easier to cut it when it's frozen than when it's thawed out. You're going to do the next slice. Help her hand on the chicken. Right there. Spread your fingers out to hold it down. Not bad. Good job. Alright, so now we're going to make her a little bit of an oil mixture, right, for the chicken. So we're going to need roughly a teaspoon of sesame
oil.
Okay, pour it in there. Pour it in this cup. Go ahead and pour it all in there. Perfect. And about a tablespoon of
Olive oil.
good job. Now pour it. We'll just kind of eyeball it. Perfect. We're going to take the oil and the chicken over to the stove. Alright, so what we're going to do is do a quick fry. Right? So go ahead and pour the oil in there. Up high. Spread it all around. Good job. And now we're going to take and add all the chicken. Perfect. Start moving the chicken around. Cover it in oil. There. And we like to add any kind of Asian seasoning. This is from Penzeys. It's the Singapore seasoning. Add that right onto the chicken. You want to do it? Keep going. A little bit more. Perfect. All right, mix it all together now. So when you're ready to put the veggies in, we buy veggie packs, frozen ones, right?
Yes.
What kind of veggies do we have in here?
I will.
What is that?
Mushroom.
We got mushrooms, yeah, and peas,
Broccoli.
Yep. And what is this?
Carrot.
Carrot. Yep. How about this one?
Sriracha.
That's onion.
Onion.
Yep. Remember what these were?
Cool.
Water chestnuts.
Or chestnuts.
Yep. All sorts of good ones. So we buy them frozen. They're easier to mix, and then we nuke it for about a minute just to soften. And you dump it in with the chicken now. Good job. Okay, mix it all together. So now we're just going to cook it through. Make sure the chicken's cooked and the veggies get all nice and warmed up. Looks good. Okay, so now what we got to do, now we got all cooked up, we're going to stir in the rice and then turn up the heat and fry all of it up. That way it gives the rice a little bit of crispness. Alright, so you want to handle this. I'll hold the rice and you scoop it out.
What's the chicken already?
So we use jasmine rice in this one. Gives it a nice creaminess. Okay, mix it up. Let's really get in there, right? There, look at that.
Stop, I'm hungry. Hi, I'm feeling good.
Alright, all set up and we're ready to plate. So we got a big scoop here. One more scoop. Oops. How's that look?
Good.
Perfect. Now we like to add some chow mein noodles and cashews. You want to go ahead and give that to your dinner?
Yes.
Sprinkle some on. Reach in, grab some. Good job. Okay, how about some cashews? Perfect.
Chicken stir fry! So hungry. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe.